So, okay, so this is my, well, screen recording for my final project for e-business class. How do I get rid of this tiny little screen? Okay, this one. Um, so this is the NetBean, and I have my e-business HM1, which means homework one. And after the homework one, the first project, I continue to build the application. So now it becomes my final project. So let's click on that and try to launch it. So for the final project, what I'm trying to do is to build a website that can both used for the buyer and the store manager. So for the buyer, they can do the register and log in into this application, or they can browse the products of this food store. And on the other hand, we have the purple panel here that is used for the manager portal. So the store manager can also register and log in with their username or password. So let's try from maybe the customer portal first. Say we need to register first. Okay, so register with the name, maybe it's Michael Spring, and email mbs@gmail.com. So this is all fake. I don't know whether password 123 register. So after registration, you're coming to the product item display page. So basically you see the description, the name of the product, the price, and after each item you can click onto this add to cart. So say we want to get some steak, so add to cart. And you go into this cart page, which lists this item and the number and the price and the total amount here. So if we want to get more stuff, we can go continue shopping. And that will go back to this item display page. Let's get some cherry, add to cart. Okay, so I know you have one order of steak, one order of cherry. We can also change the quantity here. Say I want to get maybe 8 order of steak. Update. So then the total amount also changes here. 25 times 8 gets to 200. What about if we remove something? If we go with remove cherry, it'll be gone. So you only have 8 steaks. So if we decide that's all what we want, we can go check out. So then the page says they know part of your information, but they need some additional information to finish the checkout. So billing address, I don't know, just random putting some stuff. Okay, so make sure we have everything here and continue to check out. And you see the invoice here that lists the date, the shipping, the addressee, who this order is going to be sent to, the address, and all the stuff, the price number here. You can also go back to edit address, but if we decide that's nothing, there's nothing we need to change, we just keep going, continue, and then continue to check out. And ask for your credit card information. You have a drop-down list to choose Visa, MasterCard, card number, I don't know, just a fake one. I didn't do any validation here, but that's the idea. So the expiration date, submit order. After submit order, you'll get a notice. Thank you, blah blah blah. Your order is already submitted. We're gonna process right away. So if you have any questions about your order, please feel free to contact somebody. So that's all about the customer part. Then if we go into try this application again, we move on to the store manager part. Let's see what's gonna happen there. So the purple panel is used for store manager. If we try register somebody, I don't know the name. Tom Good, Tom Bad, email address tb@gmail.com, password 123 123, register. So the admin page for the for the manager is different. You can do a couple of things here. For the store manager, you can first to view the unprocessed invoices, okay, or you can check the stock for certain items, or sort the entire inventory by either name or quantity, or you can upload some new inventory, something that does not exist in the inventory, or add the inventory, add the stock to the existing products. Let's try go check for the stock for certain items. Say I want to know if the food store has something, has some apples. So since this is using the Ajax in the JavaScript, so the data is also transmitted by the JSON. So when we get the data from the server, it'll be output to the front page without reloading the entire page. So we see the results right down here. Okay, so we do have apple. What about, I think we have bacon probably. No, probably not. Yeah, sorry, we don't have bacon. So you can basically check the stock if they have something or do not have something. And then we can also sort the entire inventory either by name or quantity. Go by name first. So we have the list of the item they have. It's ordered alphabetically from A to Z. Okay, or we can go sort by quantity. Quantity, I believe I do it in descending order. Yes, it is. So we have, see, pizza have 10, 15, and all this number goes down, down, down to the orange. We only have 10. So that's the sort inventory. Also, we can add some new inventory, something that we don't have. What do we not have? We have a bunch, lots of stuff. I don't know. Do we have there? Maybe try watermelon, right? Watermelon, I don't know, quantity 100. Price, how much? $6, maybe. Yeah. So new products added to inventory successful. Now you have 100 pieces of watermelon. Price is 6. Let's go check the database real quick. What is the food table? Where's the food table? Oh, it's right here. Let's go see what data we have in there. View data. Yes, watermelon down here, 100. Quantity is 100. Okay. So there's some error validation here. If we try to add something that's already existed, say I want to add apple, okay, but apple is already existed. If you try to upload this new item, you'll get the error message, product already exists. Please use the add inventory part to add more quantity. So if you want to add something that's already existed in the DB, in the database, you need to use this part. So let's see how many apples we already have. Okay, we just checked. We have like, oh my god, 307. 307. Okay, I need to remember this number. Let's add more apple. Quantity maybe 100. Add more inventory. Okay, so it shows here update successful. Original quantity before update for the product apple is 307, and then after update quantity, current quantity is 407. Let's double check with the DB. Do that again. We have apple. Now it changed to 407. Okay, so that's that. After this inventory management thing, the store manager can also do to process the invoices. That is the order that customer placed through the customer portal. So let's do the view unprocessed invoices. Okay, see the microspring, the order placed by microspring is also in here, that placed today. I also have a bunch of orders that I tested to put in there yesterday. So let's take a look. So yes, Dr. Michael Spring, you just ordered 8 pieces of steak and you need to pay 200 bucks. So up to here, we also have 2 buttons. One is process invoice. What is going to happen after you press this button is the status of the is processed column is going to change in the invoice table in my database. So you see we have one order coming from Michael Spring on the 16th, 200 bucks. Right now, the status of is processed is N, which means no. So if the manager press the button to process this invoice, the status of this N should change to yes. Okay, let's try this. So if I press this button, you see from this page, the order placed by microspring is already gone. And if we check the database, we query that again, let it show us, my machine is a little slow, view data. See, this N changed to yes. Okay, that means it works. So from here we can also go back to the admin page. You can access all these functionalities again. View unprocessed invoices. See, the order by microspring is gone. So that's pretty much about it. And you can also log out from here. Go back to the registration login page of the food store. So I mean, I know the cosmetic thing, the page looks kind of plain, not too many CSS going on. I originally wanted to do Bootstrap, but it's a lot of work. I need to change on each JSP page. I have about, I don't know how many, 20 JSP, 15, 20 JSP, yeah. So for now, I have all these .java file and JSP file. Altogether, these are like over 5,000 lines of code. It's pretty big a project for me so far. So anyway, above is all these functionality and basic logic flow, what the user should get out of from this application. Hope the whole walkthrough thing makes sense to you. Well, thank you very much. Bye.